Hello, dear student. First of all, let me extend a very warm welcome to you. I'm so glad that you have made up your mind to learn regular expressions. A couple of decades back, when I was new to IT, I struggled to learn regular expressions myself. But now, I understand all the pain points, which is why I have taken immense efforts to prepare this course material. Each and every concept, each and every exercise in this course has been meticulously planned in such a way that it sticks to your mind easily. You'll find yourself easing through the concept lessons and the hands-on sessions, and before you know it, you'll be writing super complex regex expressions all by yourself to solve everyday problems. I'll stop blabbering now. Let me start by giving you a quick introduction to regular expressions, and let's try to come up with a solid definition. So what are regular expressions? Regular expressions are a way to search for patterns within data sets. Data sets are everywhere. Look around you. Telephone directory, sales data, database tables, a set of computer programs, HTML source code of a web page. Data sets are everywhere. Once you have a data set, the next task that you have at hand is to extract specific data that you need from it. Looking for such specific data in a huge data set might be like looking for the proverbial needle in a haystack. A traditional Control F will not serve you well. You need to be equipped with better tools to wade through data in an effective and efficient way. This is where regular expressions can be super useful. Next point is that regular expressions are not a programming language in itself. Regular expressions are a feature that is supported by almost all programming languages, but by itself it is not a programming language. You might have heard this term a lot, regex. What is regex? Regex is nothing but an abbreviation for regular expressions. So in this course, I'll be using both terms, regex and regular expressions, interchangeably. Now you know that they both mean the same thing. So where can I find regex? It's in almost all programming languages. It's supported in Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and even Linux operating system. Those of you who are Linux users will vouch that the true power of the Linux command line is unleashed only if you supplement it with regex. With this, I think it's about time we saw a formal definition of what regex is. I have borrowed this from Wikipedia. A regular expression, regex or regexp, is a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. That is the most simple yet fairly accurate definition of regex that I could find. Now, I'm not much of a definitions person. Instead of taking this definition and beating it down to death, I'll take you through a couple of typical use cases of regular expressions to drive home the point. You'll remember it better this way. It sticks to your mind better than a definition. These are the kind of use cases that almost all of us come by on a daily basis. I have only taken a couple of them for illustration, but this is not an exhaustive list. Trust me, this is just going to be the tip of the iceberg. So let's move on to the next session and take a look at these use cases.